I saw some people are showing like, what is this nonsense?
Kolkata.
She's saying Kolkata ice cream. I was like, which ice cream she's saying? Kolkata, Kolkata.
They made like this because lotus flower will grow in any situation, even in worse water. Lotus temple will come out, and this temple is a sign of means this flower is a sign of peaceful and calm life.
Yes.
Hi,
Hello guys, good morning.
Good morning.
Today we came to Lotus Temple.
Lotus temple. Oh, sugar cane.
You want to drink sugar cane?
कितना है बड़ा? Sugar cane.
Sugar cane juice, 20 rupees.
Sugar cane? Oh.
बिना बर्फ का देना. हाँ 2 ग्लास वेट है ना? हाँ 2.
straw है? straw है क्या?
No, this you can give. हाँ चलो. So guys, we are taking this disposable.
It's better, Baba.
Because Beta is so clean.
You are also.
Now Beta is saying Pune is so much better than Delhi.
Really, Pune is better.
So much better.
So much better.
शुगर और बर्फ नहीं डालना. How it is?
I think masala also is good. Chaat masala.
Beta will pay.
Yes, right. But good thing is dustbin.
Dustbin is.
Dosa? No.
क्या है भाई ये? छोले कुलचे पराठे आलू का. Oh, paratha. You want to try?
I don't.
Let's see if some good restaurant we find. We'll go there. Otherwise, if you get this temple, na? 2 temples are here. I feel Bitul. One is one Kalkaji temple, something like this.
Oh, let's go banana. Kalkaji? Yeah.
Wait. Let's go.
Banana we can eat.
At least you found something. How many you want?
2 or 4.
कैसे है भैया?
कितना है भैया?
70 rupees dozen. Okay.
Oh, here is that temple.
This one is Kalkaji temple, but we are going Lotus temple there.
Can I ask him now?
भैया 4 देना सिर्फ. ये थोड़ा रेडी अभी खाना है हमें. हाँ फिर तो हाँ चलो. ऑनलाइन है ना?
How much?
नहीं है. कितना हो ऐसा? 20 rupees. You have na change Bitul?
हाँ.
Give me. It's good baba. Instead of eating nonsense thing. Okay.
Now only let's
Eat
see.
here only. No, dustbin is there everywhere. नहीं. Thank you.
Welcome. Really, at least we can eat banana. Here is the temple.
Here is that Kalkaji temple. Something like that.
I remember Kolkata. Really, Kolkata ice cream. I never saw here.
Where is the Kolkata ice cream?
That not ice cream. No.
Where?
Kolkata. No, not here. I remember.
In movie or somewhere? Kolkata ice cream I also never heard. From where you are saying? Don't touch your hand.
Or that ice cream I'm saying.
I don't know which one you are saying.
Kolkata.
But what you are saying? Which ice cream you are saying?
Kolkata.
She's saying Kolkata ice cream. I was like, which ice cream she's saying? Kolkata. It's Kala Khatta. Not Kolkata. Kala Khatta. Wait. I think there we have to go.
Oh, you see the
There. Lotus temple यहाँ पे है ना ये? Thank you. This side.
Say,
Are here? People are just coming and giving things.
by
You-
force.
by force.
I saw one woman.
Huh.
She passed from us, and she saw someone is over there.
Huh.
Means 4 or 5 girls.
Huh.
I swear
She came
did
suddenly.
like this,
Are
and
there?
that girl was like, no. Oh my
Even yesterday also in India Gate, one woman was like behind us. Take
Oh.
from us, take from me, take from me. She was
You
not
know,
leaving.
first time when I came with my family, same thing happened to us in Mumbai.
Same thing happened.
Same. Means now I think Mumbai's changed. That time Mumbai was like this. Because we didn't come Delhi. Maybe Delhi also was like this. I remember my family, we used to go, then they used to follow us by force. Take this, take this.
I think I don't.
And that
feel
time they
that
used-
much rush will be in Lotus Temple.
Huh?
That's it. And that time, what you are saying?
That time they were saying price of t-shirt. Price of t-shirt they were saying clothes. That time they were saying 150, 200, 300.
But if you do bargain, they will say less.
No, but
Huh.
when they see you are foreigner, that's
They
what
will.
they say.
It's their business, na.
Means how many
Their main
years
targets
ago?
are foreigner. Because in one only they will earn lot of money.
Means I'm saying how many years ago it was? That time they used to say 300, 200. Then we understood. We asked from hotel reception. Then they told us like normal price is this for
T-shirt.
T-shirt. So we were saying 100. Then they were saying no. Indians, you know, no. We were saying no. Then once you're going, they were following. Okay, take 100, take 150, take 100.
It was so good time, at that time.
So funny.
We are remembering.
It was so funny and we enjoyed a lot because everywhere we went, people used to follow us. Those stamps also. You know what it is?
Oh.
For henna.
Understood.
Stamp of henna. That also. 2-3
That you are
places
saying.
free they put for me. Not
Oh.
free means like
Just
they were
to show.
following. No,
Huh.
they were following by force. Come. let me put. Then once she put, we didn't give money and we went. Then that girl was following us. Give me money. So funny it was. So I remember for 1 week that henna was on my hand.
I don't know. People are, they don't have a job or like this. So it's like they're from there. That only they will earn and eat food and this thing. What we can do?
Really? That's also good. No, I'm not saying bad way. I'm saying
No, I
lots
know, but
Lots
thing.
of good memories we have. Like so funny that time.
Yes.
But
Oh,
here is cleaner.
I feel lot of people are
That's what I'm
inside.
saying, all are there. Garbage. What you say?
I thought no one is there, but if you see, a lot of people are there.
Really?
I think all this bus and this thing is like tourist place. All came to see only Lotus Temple.
Lot of small shops are there. Our good thing about India is wherever you go, lot of options for eating you will find. Everyone is
Yes.
selling something.
Business. Everything is business.
Yeah. But I didn't see that much nariyal here.
Yeah, there, Nariyal. You took name and Nariyal is there.
I want to.
Arey, how much luck. Wait.
I'm so lucky. Yesterday, that guy didn't send our picture.
He sent.
You sent?
Yesterday we found one guy. He took
I
so
am
good picture.
Let me say this first. I am so lucky, guys.
Okay.
First thing I want to show about my luck is
Really?
really.
Okay.
Second thing is see now only I should nariyal. Show.
And we found Nariyal. They can see or not.
Third thing, yesterday we were searching for someone to take our picture, and suddenly we found one photographer, professional.
Means we asked someone, he took picture, he said he's photographer. Then he took by himself and he sent
And
free.
he was professional.
Take this in your hand, but I think someone is calling me. हाँ भाई
Raj?
लोटस टेम्पल आ गया हूँ मैं अभी।
भैया नारियल कितना है?
70 मैम।
Like a lot
हाँ।
of videos we have to take.
Yeah.
Only thing, first let's ask that नारियल.
और ले जा जो ट्राइपॉड ले जा सेल्फी स्टिक मोबाइल स्टिक सेल्फी
I think they will say same price.
But let's see.
Okay. I think this hat is little. Government give this hat.
Government?
Here women also drive auto. You saw? In Mumbai also, in university I saw. In my university they used to drive. Outside also you will find, but not that much. Finally bit up from Nariyal. She is happy now.
This is electronic, huh?
Electronic. Don't even see it. Okay, otherwise they will not leave. Here also women, lot of women are driving.
सेल्फी स्टिक मैन मोबाइल स्टिक आईफोन ब्लूटूथ कनेक्ट फोटो लेने की
नहीं भैया.
बुझो.
I'm taking. This right side is for girl bed.
Oh, they check.
Only
Can
them
take
check.
like this also?
Wait.
लंच जाएगा नहीं खाओ हेलो इधर आओ बोला लंच खा गया रख गया ना ये कितना जाएगा यहाँ थोड़ी रखा जाता है बाहर जाए कि दुकान पे रखो
Makeup.
बता दिया है सर खाने को कुछ नहीं ना
नहीं खाने का कोई कुछ नहीं.
हाँ?
नहीं. That one also this. Okay. चलो, thank you.
निकालेगी नहीं बता देना समझा देना
नहीं बता दे. Come from there, Bitul.
कहाँ जाएगा आपका उसी
The back side, see that woman how many things she
जाएगा
took.
वो तो नहीं जाएगा इतना बड़ा
What's she saying?
No, she took lot of things. No, maybe he's saying.
No, what he's saying to her?
That's only she's saying how many things she took. I think it's okay. Lala.
मैडम
Oh, Baha'i Bitul it is. For Baha'i it's written.
The Baha'i faith.
Recognize the unity of God,
and
His prophets.
upwards.
Hmm.
You know, guys, Baha'i religion came from Iran,
Really?
from Shiraz.
From Shiraz?
One of my friends is Baha'i.
Oh. But it looks so beautiful, huh?
Also, show there, then I will say what I want to say.
Huh?
A lot of Iranians or Baha'i people come here
Huh?
for free to help and do religious things.
Means? I didn't understand.
Means like to do prayer and to help people, whoever visit here.
Huh?
Free they come here, like what should I say?
Volunteer.
Volunteer.
Okay.
Free they come here and they help people. They give papers of prayers and they show
Place.
Lotus Temple.
Okay.
ये कितना बिस्कुट
So yes, my friend also, that friend I am saying, she also came here as
Oh,
volunteer.
really only?
20 days or 1 month, and they don't need to pay anything. They will give them place for sleep also.
Who will give?
Means government of India, no?
Really?
Government of India means, I think.
Oh, for Baha'i
Because
people.
For Baha'i people only.
Okay.
Baha'i people will come here
Huh.
for helping and these things, for showing around and helping. And they can stay here. They will give them
Oh,
hostel.
but they come tourist visa only, no?
Ah,
Okay, huh.
and free hostel they give them. My friend came for 1 month.
Okay,
Oh.
so good then.
Ah. It's like this. For them, they can come free. Only for ticket and all. Only for ticket they have to pay. For hostel, it's free for them.
Lot of people came. Who? Maybe Baba. He said na
I
Bahai.
know. From face I can.
Most of population of Bahai people is in Iran.
Not in Iran,
Huh.
but they are Iranian mostly.
But now where they are means.
Most of them went outside of
No,
Iran.
but where? That's what I'm asking. Now which
Other
country?
countries, everywhere.
Like India is for like lot of Hindus people are there. Like this.
No, and Iranian, anywhere they go. India is for Indians only.
No, for Bahai I'm saying more population is where? Like which country?
Anywhere.
Anywhere. All they are everywhere.
They go mostly to Europe,
Okay.
USA,
Hmm.
UK.
Oh, information center here. Wait, you want to go? Information center. Or directly on to see temple?
No, we can go there. Oh, they are growing something.
I think.
So nice.
So beautiful. Different flowers.
Back home, let's take picture here.
Okay.
Nazarone deri chua.
But I want to record a lot of videos.
Why they made it like this? So that if something happened, like earthquake or something happened, it will not fall on people who are sitting inside. It will come outside.
Okay.
The building will not fall on people who are inside. And this temple, actually, this lotus temple, they made like this because lotus flower will grow in any situation. Even in worse water, lotus temple will come out. And this temple is a sign of, means this flower is a sign of peaceful and calm life.
Okay.
Peace and calm.
So good.
Our roots is Zoroastrian, no? Means if you see Zoroastrianism, so good things are there in that. Like it's just saying, it's not religion, that is the thing. It just say, that's why Zoroastrian people in India, Parsi people, they are not annoying anyone. They don't want anyone to convert their religion. Their religion is like just being good. Oh, we have to remove shoes?
I think.
Really?
I think.
अपना जूता चप्पल उतारिए बैग उतारिए ग्रुप वाले फैमिली वाले सब एक साथ
So guys, from here you have to take one bag. You have to put our shoes inside that, and we can take with us. No, maybe he's worker.
Oh,
He's worker.
then here let's remove.
Should I remove my socks also? So guys, we put our shoes here. Sorry. Wait now. So guys, we put our shoes here. From here you have to take one bag, and we can take this bag with us.
I am abuser wife, see?
No, Baba.
किसी को
Oh, from this side.
की जगह है
Here I have to put this bag. You wait here on. Front there, wait. I will
Oh,
come.
lot of people threw it with them.
Where?
Come, Baba.
Where the two? Here I have to give. So guys, this bag we have to deposit here, and then we have to
I
go.
am waiting. Come,
What?
Really? Tell me. Because yesterday we
So
went
guys, she wear my
Gurudwara.
socks. So now I am without anything. It's okay, Baba. Nothing will happen. So here we have to give our shoes. अरे
दो बैग है, दो बैग। भैया पीछे हो जाओ लाइन में, ज्यादा आगे मत जाइए, वहां नहीं पकड़ूंगा बैग जाके मैं।
थैंक यू. Okay, so I took this card. Now we are going. And Beta is sitting there enjoying. Let's go, Beta. हाँ.
Oh, that guy is growing something.
Removing, I think. Grass or.
You feel cleanness downstairs? Because I don't think.
What it is? What
That
you can do?
Gurudwara was so clean.
Uh,
Airplane. No, I'm just asking.
no, it's okay. Okay, let's
Gurudwara
go.
was better, no?
Because
Gurudwara
they
was
have
so
first,
clean.
na inside. Beta is thinking this water is for swimming pool. I learned swimming because of Beta.
Really?
So big line, Bitul. Sorry. Let's go. People are taking picture here. They are not going.
I feel my face is getting like Indians. Huh?
Yes.
No one lives outside. You don't feel?
Yes.
Especially because of my bindi and my dress. I think backside of Lotus Temple only they give hostels to
Really? They used to stay here.
for
So
volunteers.
good.
Now we are going inside, but they said inside you cannot record any video.
From
So-
outside only. You make photography, no? Inside, नहीं, outside ले रहे.
Oh, photography no, but we'll do inside also. Then
Don't
what?
be like you.
I want to show guys.
Okay. First time we came, na, we also don't know. Select our.
Even in
subscribers.
Gurudwara also.
Oh.
Oh, lots of people. See, line. Why?
Don't go outside.
बहाई धर्म के संस्थापक बहावल्ला हैं जिन्हें हम इस युग के ईश्वरीय अवतार मानते हैं। तो अंदर का स्थान प्रार्थना दुआ चिंतन मनन करने के लिए बनाया गया है। यहाँ पे सभी धर्मों के लोग एक साथ आकर शांतिपूर्वक प्रार्थना दुआ चिंतन मनन कर सकते हैं। तो आपको मंदिर के बारे में किसी प्रकार की भी जानकारी की आवश्यकता हो तो निकास द्वार पर वॉलंटियर को संपर्क करें और अपनी मातृभाषा में पर्चा प्राप्त कर सकते हैं। यदि आपके पास अधिक समय है तो मंदिर के ठीक सामने सूचना केंद्र है, वहाँ पे भी जा सकते हैं और अधिक से अधिक जानकारी प्राप्त कर सकते हैं। तो आप सभी का फिर से स्वागत है बहाई उपासना मंदिर।
Thank you.
Let's go. Other places we have to go better.
Let's go.
We don't have time.
Here.
अरे बियाम.
You know, even
Be careful.
Italian people also look like Iranians.
Really? Why?
Spain and Italy.
But why?
I don't know, but they look so similar to Iranians.
Same thing. I'm asking why.
I don't know. But their face, maybe their race is same. Same like Punjabi people look like Iranians. Kashmiri people look so same, more than Punjabi people.
I think there. We have to ask. Some people I saw they were making fun of other religion here. I don't know why they came if they don't like other religion. should be same. Should we respect all religion and stay happy? But I was saying same thing.
I'm saying very less people. Their mind
I
is
saw
going to understand what
some
is
people
going
are
on.
showing like, what is this nonsense? What they did? Nothing inside. What they
It should
did.
not be so much beautiful or something. It means they made for this purpose.
So all religion people can come and sit together. But some people are saying, what is this nonsense religion?
But
I was like,
it.
what should I say?
I cried inside.
I mean, everyone want to show their religion is better. That is the
Because
problem.
They don't even use their mind.
Mm.
To think. That's why now my mom always used to say to me,
Huh.
ki in each country they are saying that religion is good.
Huh.
So my mom always used to say to me, little think, then why that Christian person in Europe is Christian?
Hmm.
Definitely to him also they said that your religion is best. No? So literally you have to use our mind
Yeah,
also.
but it was good. Means they pray
I
for
felt
all
so good. I
religion.
was
They
so
were
much-
singing the mantras of all
I wanted
religion.
to say
Huh.
that mantra they were saying.
But I was crying.
That mantra was so much. What should I say? Effective.
Effective on your heart.
Yes.
Okay.